Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. After installing and connecting Dancing Numbers with QuickBooks Desktop, we can start importing, exporting, or deleting the information in QuickBooks. To import any type of list or transactions supported by QuickBooks Pro, Premier, or the Enterprise Solutions, we can click Start. On the next screen, we need to click to browse or to select the file or the Excel sheet that you would like to import and click Open. Now today in this example, we will try to import the bills. So on the right, I'm going to choose bills for the QuickBooks transaction type as well and click Next. Click OK to the message. Now here, this is the preview that we have from the Excel sheet, and we can click on Next. Now for the mapping, we can either click the drop down and choose or match the field columns one by clicking the drop down, or we can click on Field Match to have that automatically matched and mapped accordingly. Now if you would like to save this mapping, you can click on Save As. Also, if you would like to load any existing or any saved mapping in future, you can also do it. And click Next. Now the file updates screen shows the information based on how we have mapped the fields in the previous step. And we click Next. The missing references screen tells us there are no missing references, which means it's referring to any new customer, vendor, or accounts or the new items if they are there in the Excel sheet. Now we can proceed further and click on Import File, click OK to the message. Now depending on how many entries or how many bills that we have in the Excel sheet, it may take some time. Now even if you have the multi-line transactions in your company file or in the Excel sheet, that will still be supported. Now again, the time consumption will be there based on the QuickBooks company file size, the computer speed, and also the information that we are trying to import. Alright, looks like we are almost there, and the file import has been completed. And once this is done, we are waiting to see the message that the file has been successfully imported. Alright, the message is there. Looks like the file has been imported successfully. We can click Close.